Today I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and add a static banner widget to your storefront. So to show you what a static banner is, if I scroll down using a premium template, this right here, trust us with your color aspirations. This is a static banner. And moving farther down, marketing your products with us, this is also a static banner. Okay, so to go ahead and create these, we need to go to our backend. So we're in our admin, we're going to come to our left navigation bar, storefront CMS, CMS features, and then we're going to home configuration. Okay, as you can see, I have already several different widgets. If you do not have a widget, you're going to simply go ahead and click on to insert new widget. And we're going to look for static banner. Give that a click and then insert widget. Okay, the widget is populated for us right here at the top. You need to go ahead and choose a banner heading and a banner subheading. These are not mandatory. You could just have an image if you wanted to, but if you did wanted to add a heading or a subheading, I'll show you what they look like. Let's go back to our front end here. And trust us with your color aspirations would be the heading, and the subheading would be the smaller text with our wide array of full service printing. Okay, so going back to our back end, we're going to go ahead and add one. So we'll just say something like banner heading. And under subheading, we'll just go ahead and put test, test, test. Okay, we'll come back to the background URL in a few moments here. For the banner height, I use 400 on all of my static banners, and parallax is already checked off. This is what we want. Now to get the background URL, we actually have to add an image into the image library. Okay, so let's go ahead and add an image to the image library. To get there, we need to come to the left navigation bar again, storefront CMS, CMS features, media library. Now the media library is just an area that you could store some images that you can go ahead and grab trusted URLs off of that you can use in different areas of your site. Okay, so let's go ahead and add one. I'll go ahead and browse my desktop, and I've already got one here. I'll go ahead and open it up, and then I need to upload it. There is no amount of maximum images that you can add to the media library. But you do not need to use them unless you're using it for the website. I mean, you can go ahead and add some things on there, but usually what we use this for is to get a secure URL that we can use on our website for widgets and maybe somewhere in the HTML areas. Okay, so right here is the thumbnail that I want. Now to get the URL, I need to go ahead and click onto the thumbnail. It'll populate in another tab, and I'm going to simply come up here and highlight this and copy it. Okay, so I've gone ahead and copied this. Now I'm going to go back to my back end again. We're going to go back to the home configuration page, which is right under here, right? Storefront CMS, CMS features, home configuration. Oh, and we did not save our widget, so we're going to go ahead and add another one again. Insert widget, static banner, insert widget again right there. Go ahead and put banner heading. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and put our background URL, which we just got off our media library. And then the banner height, we're going to make it 400 again. and parallax is already checked off. Then we will save. Okay, once we're done, you could actually drag and drop these. If you notice that I'm taking it and moving it by the cursor, I can move it up or down just by drag and dropping. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it at the top so when we go back to our home page, we can see where it is exactly. So let's go ahead and refresh our front end. And as you can see, there's a static banner here, but we forgot to add the text. I'm sorry, we have the text, but we need to add the color to the text itself. Let's go back to our backend. So back in our backend, if you come over to this little section here that has the edit gear, go ahead and give that a click. You need to add a color. When you see this gray area with a white key line, this means it's just a placeholder. You actually need to add a color. So for the color background, I'll just leave it white. And for the font, I'm going to go ahead and leave it white as well, but you can change it from different areas if you wish. And I will save again. Let's go back and check our work again. And there you go. This is how you can add a static banner widget to your website.